Most course creators only notice chargebacks after the damage is done. Lost revenue, frozen payouts, and a hit to your reputation. But there is an easy way to catch issues before they escalate. Here's a quick manual way to stay ahead of potential chargebacks. Set up a simple Google Sheet to log every refund request or student issue, including the date and how fast you responded. Highlight any that take longer than a couple of days, since delayed replies are often what turn into chargebacks later. This helps you see patterns before they become problems, but it won't automatically alert you when a dispute's coming. That's where EasyPay Direct steps in. Their chargeback mitigation system alerts you before a chargeback officially hits, giving you time to reach out to the customer and resolve it fast. And with decline recovery, you can also recapture failed payments automatically, reducing lost revenue even further. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. Between proactive chargeback alerts and smart recovery tools, you will stay protected and keep your payment flow stable. Chargebacks should not catch you by surprise. EasyPay Direct helps you prevent disputes, recover lost sales, and keep your course business running smoothly. Use the link in the description to get started today.